A lot of your company staff don't even work in the building anymore. They're on airport Wi-Fi, coffee shop hotspots, home networks. So today we're setting up Mobile VPN with SSL from scratch, so your remote team gets encrypted access to your internal resources. Mobile VPN with SSL lets remote users run a small client, authenticate, and get a virtual adapter that tunnels into the trusted network over TCP 443. The same port as the normal HTTPS traffic, so it isn't blocked by hotel or coffee shop firewalls the way IPsec sometimes does. For this demo, you'll either need a static WAN IP or DDNS setup. Keep an eye on our channel, we'll be covering that in the future. So here in our firewall, let's go to VPN, Mobile VPN, and launch the SSL setup wizard. Let's click next. And then here in primary is going to be our static WAN IP, and backup is if you have a failover ISP. So let's hit next. So we're going to be using the Firebox DB for this. It's the simplest for a small office or demo, but Active Directory, Radius, or AuthPoint, WatchGuard's own MFA, all work here. So let's hit next. This is going to auto create a group called SSL VPN-Users. Let's hit next. And then this is the virtual IP pool for SSL VPN connections. And word of caution for this, do not use the default 192.168.1 type network because most home networks already have that and you're just going to interfere with their networks. Now let's hit next. And finish. So now we need to create a user that has access to SSL VPN. So let's go over to Authentication, create new down here, and we're going to tell it to create a new user in the Firebox database. Click Add, and create your account. And make sure to scroll down, this is kind of hidden, and checkbox the SSL VPN users to grant it into that group. Hit save. Now let's go up to network and interfaces. So here in port 2, I've configured a server to host on 10.0.100.10 on port 3000. We can host this to the SSL VPN users by going over to our firewall policies. Down here at the bottom, the auto-generated rule that allow SSL VPN users. Let's open that. Let's change this. We're going to set this to any external. And then let's add another host IPv4 and then add that server, the 10.0.100.10. Let's save that. Now here on our client machine, let's go to a browser and go to software.watchguard.com. Going to scroll down to the Mobile VPN with SSL and download it for Windows. Now let's set that up. So here in our server, we're either going to set the static WAN IP or domain you have attached to your firewall. And at the end, we're going to do a colon and then the port that we're using for SSL VPN. By default, it's 443. Now let's put in our username and password. Now that we're connected, let's see if we can open speed test. Browser, we're going to go to 10.0.100.10 port 3000 and we have speed test. And that is a fully working SSL VPN tunnel utilizing nothing but your Firebox. Keep an eye out for future videos. We'll be locking this down even further with AuthPoint multi-factor. Need help with your WatchGuard configuration? Check us out using the link in the description.